Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something really fun and popular. It's called a vibe check. Stay with me until the end to fully understand this amazing term. I'm so excited to share this with you. Whether you've heard this phrase before or it's completely new to you, don't worry. We'll break it down together in the simplest way possible. So, what exactly is a vibe check? Well, it's actually quite simple. A vibe check is a way to see how someone is feeling. It's about checking the mood or energy around a person or even a place. Think of it as a quick emotional check-in. You might be wondering, where did this term come from? The phrase, vibe check, started online. It became really popular on social media platforms. Young people began using it more and more. The term grew from internet slang. It was used by teenagers and young adults first. Then it spread everywhere. Now, people of all ages use it. It's become part of our everyday language. Social media played a huge role in making this phrase popular. Platforms like TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram helped spread it. People started using it in their posts, comments, and videos. And just like that, it went viral. Let me give you the simplest definition possible. A vibe check is just a quick way to ask someone, how are you feeling right now? That's it. It's that easy to understand. Let's break down the word itself. First, we have vibe. Vibe means the mood or feeling of a person or place. It's the energy you sense. When you walk into a room, you can feel the vibe. Is it happy? Is it tense? That's the vibe. Now, let's look at the word check. Check means to look at something or ask about it. When you check something, you are examining it. You are finding out information about it. So when we put these two words together, we get vibe check. It means checking or asking about someone's mood or feelings. It's a way to connect with people emotionally. How do people actually use this phrase? Well, it's used in many different ways. People use it to see how their friends are doing. They use it to check on family members. It's a caring and casual way to communicate. Here's an example. Imagine you have a friend who seems quiet today. You might text them and say, hey, vibe check. This shows you care. You are asking them to share how they're feeling. You can also do a vibe check on yourself. Sometimes we need to pause and ask ourselves, how am I really feeling right now? This is called self-reflection. It helps us understand our own emotions better. Another example is in social situations. Maybe you are at a party or a meeting. You can check the vibe of the whole group. Are people comfortable? Are they having fun? This helps you understand the atmosphere. So when should you use a vibe check? The answer is simple. You can use it anytime. There's no wrong time to check on someone's feelings. Let me give you some specific examples. You can do a morning vibe check. When you wake up, ask yourself, how do I feel today? This sets the tone for your whole day. It helps you start with awareness. You can do a vibe check at work or school. Check in with your coworkers or classmates. Ask them how they're feeling. This builds better teamwork. It creates a supportive environment. Friend groups love vibe checks. When you are hanging out with friends, you can check the group vibe. Make sure everyone is happy and comfortable. This keeps friendships strong. Don't forget about online vibe checks. In group chats or video calls, you can ask, vibe check, everyone. It's a fun way to connect virtually. Distance doesn't matter when you care. Now, why has this phrase become so popular? There are several reasons. First, it's easy to say and understand. Second, it helps people connect quickly. Third, it shows you care about others. Vibe checks are also popular because of mental health awareness. More people are talking about feelings now. We understand that checking on each other is important. Mental health matters, and vibe checks help us support each other. Vibe checks build connection and empathy. When you ask someone about their feelings, you show empathy. You are saying, I care about you. This creates deeper, more meaningful relationships. Another reason it's popular is because it's fun. It's a casual and friendly way to communicate. You don't have to be serious all the time. Vibe checks keep conversations light and caring. Did you know there are different types of vibes? That's right. Vibe checks can reveal positive, negative, or neutral feelings. Let's explore each one. Positive vibes are the best. These are feelings of happiness, joy, and calmness. When someone has positive vibes, they feel good. The energy around them is bright and uplifting. Sometimes people have negative vibes. This means they might feel sad, angry, or uncomfortable. That's okay. We all have bad days. When you notice negative vibes, you can offer support. Then there are neutral vibes. These are neither good nor bad. Sometimes people just feel okay. They're calm and balanced. Neutral vibes are perfectly normal too. So how should you respond when someone does a vibe check on you? The best answer is to be honest. Share how you are really feeling. If you are happy, say so. If you are struggling, it's okay to admit that too. Honesty builds trust. Let's talk about the benefits. Vibe checks improve communication. They strengthen relationships. They help us understand each other better. They create a culture of caring and support. These are all wonderful things. Let's quickly summarize everything. A vibe check means asking about feelings and mood. It helps us connect and support each other. You can use it with friends, at work, at school, and online. It's simple, caring, and powerful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you now understand what a vibe check means. Why don't you try doing a vibe check today? Ask a friend how they're feeling. Or check in with yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what's your vibe today? See you in the next video.